What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but we are back again with another banger. If you have not already, please go ahead and like and subscribe. That helps my channel grow more and more so I can drop some more dope content just for you guys. Today is a very special day. We're taking the Subi here to get the exhaust on. I got the Invidia Gemini R400 exhaust, just Catback, with the titanium tips. So we're gonna go put that on today. I'm super excited what it's gonna sound like because it's way too quiet for me right now. So without further ado, I'm gonna play some videos of what it sounds like stock, and then we're gonna put it on, and then I'll do the same thing when it has the exhaust on. So here we go.
Ready? 3, 2. The exhaust is going. It's gonna sound.
Say bye to the stock exhaust. Oh, I'm telling you, go.
One down.
Let's go. Bye-bye. And 2. Fun time. See that?
Why
Your
do they
hands
still
look like
clean?
this.
Why do they still look clean?
Your hands look like this, so mine can look like this. Wait, no, wait. My hands look like this, so yours look like that.
Big shout out to Rescue Auto.
Oh, yeah.
Letting us use the lift. Bro.
You see that?
Dude, look at the titanium. That looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
You got a whole exhaust going on.
Big shout out to Invidia.
That looks so good on camera, bro.
Hands are slipping.
Is it hooked? Ooh. That is beautiful.
See that, dude?
Is the whole thing titanium?
My dad still hasn't seen my license.
What?
He said my dad still hasn't seen my license plate.
Oh. The exhaust kind of looks the same, bud. I don't know what you did there. Man, that's looking good.
Love this.
You do a good job around here.
Yeah.
So guys, we're taking the gasket now. Alright guys, it's only 110 out today, so it's not that bad, you know? We got the car up still. Look at it. Ooh-wee! I'm so excited. Here's just a picture of me and my car together because we're beautiful. Yes.
All done. Excited?
I just can't wait to
Your
hear
hair's
it right
crazy after doing work. All right, you gonna start it, bro?
now. Alright guys, I'm about to start my car.
Oh.
What it sounds like. I'm so excited. That's nice.
It's a little deep.
That's deep. That's nice. It's not like super loud and like obnoxious either. Yeah. Woo! That's so nice. Woo! Again, big shout out to
What do you say?
What's the damage?